Good morning, students. Now, today your topic is forest conservation, that is, protection of forest. Now, we know that our forests are in danger because every day, every second, our forest is disappearing. Now, the forest of the size football field, it disappears every after 2 seconds. Many plants and animals which live in forest also disappearing with it. Now government has made a law, that is the Forest Conservation Act, which is made by Indian Parliament in 1980, is amended for protection of our forest. According to this rule, indiscriminate cutting down of tree is a punishable offense. And so many areas in India are converted into national park and wildlife sanctuary. Both preserve the plants and animals. Now national park there is no human activity is allowed, but in birds wildlife sanctuary some limited human activities is allowed. Nagir central government runs the national park and wildlife sanctuary. It also expends much money on national park and wildlife sanctuary. The Gir National Park in Gujarat is probably the only place in the world where the Asiatic lion is protected so that it can live in its natural surroundings. Gir National Park. Now, Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary in Rajasthan is the largest bird sanctuary in Asia, and it is famous for the refuge for migratory birds like Siberian crane, barons, ibis, pelicans, and painted storks. There are many migratory birds which make their temporary home in this sanctuary. Now, national park in the Himalayan foothill are the Corbett National Park and Dudhwa National Park. A number of organizations are spreading awareness about the importance of forest and trees through printed as well as electronic media. That is, stop deforestation, promote afforestation. We should protect our forest. Forest is very important for us. Now we can also contribute towards the forest conservation. How? By minimizing the use of plant or plants products. Now second, by not using the products which promote the forest destruction. And now third, by celebrating the growing of plant as a festival, that is Ban Mahotsav, and we should plant must one tree on Ban Mahotsav. That is, it is celebrated in the school, in office, in college, at our home. And we should have to celebrate the Ban Mahotsav day as a festival for increasing the number of plants. Now, Ban Mahotsav is a program which is launched by the Indian government to increase the number of plants, and it is celebrated in all where, that is school, college, hospital, all where, because plant is necessary for all living beings, that is especially necessary for our human beings. It is necessary for all animals and plant itself, but we are very much affected by deforestation, and so we have to plant one tree must on one Mahosar day, and we should try to increase the number of plant. We should not cut the tree, that is we should stop the deforestation. Understand? Now in this way we can conserve, we can protect our forest.